I'm Ken Gergen. I'm a senior research professor at Swarthmore College. And I, like many scholars, have been centrally concerned with the world conditions today and how it is that we can make a contribution to the challenges, because they are many and deadly. Now, I've been very concerned in the past with theory that can make a difference. I call it actionable theory. And within that perspective, the one thing that I've felt is really important in terms of these challenges today is the problems that we inherit from a 2,000-year-old tradition of what's typically called atomism, but boils down to our understanding of the world in terms of individual units, that is, persons, places, things, objects, as if the sum of what exists are those particular units. Because what we do when we sustain that kind of thought is that we build up a conception in which we are separate individuals. Everyone is separate, lives in their own space, in their own thinking, has their own values. We invite self-concern. Me first, have to take care of myself first. We invite alienation. You are different from me. I may never know you. I'm not sure I want to. And conflict. Because if it's everyone for him or herself, then we are in trouble. Now, what would be the converse? Well, here I've been quite interested in looking at not the individuals, but how they're related. That which falls between. I'd like to argue, in fact, in the human case, that relational process precedes everything we do. That is, who we are as people in the world owes its existence to a process which no one could have created. Think of language here for a moment. No one makes up the words. Words are only words by virtue of agreement. So that it's only by agreement that we can communicate at all. And if I push that argument far enough, I'd be willing to say that virtually everything I do and you do, everything that's intelligible that I do, owes its existence in some sense to the process. Everything I wear, everything I say, what I do, what I'm interested in, the investments I make owes its existence to the process. So the point is, let's value the process, take care of the process, study the process, create the process out of which we create more promising futures. And that kind of process would be the subject of the talk I would give.